Okay, hello. Welcome everyone. My name is LaQuita Jackson with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for my weekly Wednesday live. I'm excited to be here with you guys today. I have a fun project to share with you. Before we jump into the project for today, I want to announce last week's Prize Patrol winner. So thank you so much to everyone who shared the live video from last week. Hi Maria. Glad you're here. Thank you so much to everyone who shared the video. I have pulled the name of the random winner and it is LaDonna. So congratulations LaDonna. Thank you so much for sharing the video, and you'll actually be receiving a little make and take kit to make one of the card that we made together last week live. So last week we made this cheers to the years, or no, birthday cheers all around card. So I'll be sending you a little make and take kit to create one of this card. So I'll message you after this live video and ask for your address so that I can get this sent out to you. So thank you so much, and don't forget to share today's live video so that you can be entered in for a chance to win a Prize Patrol, and I'll choose the winner and announce the winner next week at next week's live. So thank you guys so much for sharing the video. I truly appreciate it. Also, today I posted a really fun blog post. Hi Irene, I put up a really fun blog post today with more than 24 stocking stuffer ideas for you guys. They're Stampin' Up! Stocking stuffer ideas that are under $5. So over 24 different ideas for you all. If you're looking for some fun, crafty stocking stuffers for friends or family, I've got some great ideas for you. So if you're watching the live here on Facebook, just scroll down a little bit. Yeah, I know, isn't that amazing? Just scroll down a little bit. It's I think 2 posts below this live video, and you can click and take a look at that blog post. And if you're watching this video over on YouTube, I'll link to that blog post below the video in the description notes. So make sure you check it out. I mean, over 24 different things that you can add to your stockings for under $5. Hi Joanne. Thank you so much, Joanne from Colorado. Woo! Is it snowing there? So I'm so glad you guys are here with me today. Let's go ahead and jump into today's project. Hi Kimberly, hello. I'm gonna go ahead and get the camera flipped around and we'll get stamping. Glad you guys are here. Thank you so much, Kimberly. I appreciate you sharing. Thanks, Irene. Yay, thank you guys. No snow, okay, yeah, it's muggy here today in Houston. Okay, so I'm gonna flip you guys around. Okay, so we're using a really cute bundle from the annual catalog. Kind of taking a break from the Christmas projects because I've shared so many lately, so I wanted to do something a little bit different. So this is the Animal Outing Bundle. This is from the annual catalog, so you can actually purchase this as a bundle. You get the stamp set, and then you get the Thinlits, the Thinlit dies, and you save 10% when you purchase the bundle together. Let me make sure my iPad is ready to go. So this is a really cute set. I've actually been using this a lot lately. I have some other projects that I used this set to create, and I haven't shared them yet, so I'll be sharing those soon. But I really like this. It's grown on me. It didn't really pop out to me at first in the annual catalog, but we actually received the stamp set for free at On Stage in April, I think it was. So it's grown on me, and I really do like it. It's super cute. So we're going to use this today. So let's go ahead and jump right into the project. We'll get straight in, and I'm not going to give you a sneak peek. We are just going to start stamping. Okay, so I've got all of my pieces already cut. Oh yeah, this is my envelope because we're going to stamp that. So I'm going to start with these 3 pieces that we are going to stamp on. So let's see, I don't need this piece. Okay, so I've got some Smoky Slate cardstock. This is a piece of Whisper White. This is cut at 1 inch by 5 inches. And then this is just a scrap piece of Whisper White. And then this is my envelope. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp on the front of my envelope. So I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink for my stamping. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this piece of Smoky Slate. And I'm just gonna ink up the little rhino image from that stamp set. Okay. We'll just stamp this cute little rhino right here. So have you guys started doing your Christmas shopping? I really don't have any shopping to do, to be honest. Okay, so on this little piece of Whisper White, I am going to stamp just I just want this little birdie. So, oh no, Okay, we'll fix that. We'll fix that in a second. Okay, so I'm just gonna stamp just off in the corner and just get that little birdie. And let me get this up. There we go. I've just got ink everywhere. Leave it to me. This is what happens when I'm stamping by myself. These kinds of things happen all the time. Okay, and then I've got something strange here on my ink pad from my table. Let's get that up. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to ink this image up one more time for my envelope. Yeah, I don't have much shopping to do either, Irene. We actually decided a few years ago in my family that we would trade Christmas gifts for vacations and quality time. So that's what we're doing. We don't really have to buy each other gifts anymore. So we just spend time together instead. And it's actually a lot of fun. Okay, so that's all we need the memento for. And then I'm gonna bring in this little strip of Whisper White and Bermuda Bay, and I'm going to stamp the sentiment that says, "Thank you, big time." Hi, Tara. Okay, so I'll just stamp this off to the left, leaving a little bit of room on the left. Right there, that's perfect. Okay, so stamping is finished. So what we're going to do is I'm going to bring in the Big Shot. Actually, no, I'm not yet. I want to color on my little bird. So what I want to do for my little bird is I'm going to color it in with my Bermuda Bay. This is the light Bermuda Bay. And then I'm going to use the dark Daffodil Delight for the beak. So I'll just use the small tip here. Ugh, I just put on lotion. Oh, I can't open that. Okay, so I'm just going to use light, quick strokes here because this bird is so tiny, and if you get too heavy-handed, your ink is going to bleed. And I'm not going to put anything down under this to protect my work surface because it's really small and I'm not going to get too much ink coming through. Okay, so I'm just coloring in the body and the feathers of that tiny little bird. Okay, and then in the Daffodil Delight, just hit the beak, and that's it. Okay, there it is. I'll bring it in close so you guys can see. There it is. Cute, very small, tiny little bird. Yeah, I love this stamp set too, Carol. It's really grown on me. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring in the Big Shot, and I don't need it for that or this. I just need it for these two pieces. Alrighty, there we go. Okay, so I've got my magnetic platform. Then I've got one cutting plate, and I'm going to put down my piece of smoky slate. And let me get my little die out, my little rhino die. Okay, and then I'm just gonna line this up. Make sure everything's nice and straight before I run this through. I think that looks good. Let me see, a little bit more over here. Okay, I think that looks good. I'm going to go ahead and run this through. Thanks, Jules. All right, so now, look at that cute little rhino. He He's so cute. Okay, so we'll set him to the side. Then just bring in your little piece of Whisper White, and we just want to line this up and get just that little bird. Die cut that little bird out. All right, I think that looks lined up. Another cutting plate on top. Crank that through. Okay, let's see how we did on that. Oh yeah, perfect. And then I'm just gonna cut out the rest of the way around the little bird. Isn't that so cute? So precious. Okay, let's move that scrap out of the way, and I'll put the big shot back. Okay. All right, so there we go. So cute. I love when you have matching dies to die cut everything out. Love that. All right, so now let me bring in these pieces. So what I'm gonna do is just cut around and get the rest of my little bird cut out. So I'm just gonna cut this piece off. Okay. And then just curve around the little beak and the top feathers. And there you go. And now your little bird is all trimmed out. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put one of the mini dimensionals on the back of that little bird. We'll just pop it up right above that little rhino's horn right there. And then I'll put another mini dimensional on the back of this. And then a couple of regular dimensionals towards the bottom. And then a couple up here, just like that. Okay, so that little guy is ready. So let's go ahead and start putting together the rest of this card. So for my card base, I've got basic gray. I haven't used basic gray, I feel like, in so long. So I've got basic gray. This is cut at 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches, and I've scored at 4.25 inches. Just a standard sized card base. Give it a nice crease. I know, isn't that a great idea to do the little bird separate? Then I've got some designer paper. This is from the Animal Expedition Designer Series paper, so it coordinates with this bundle. There's actually a whole suite of products that go along with this bundle, so it coordinates. You've got these cute little crocodiles on the other side, and that cute. So I'm using this piece. This is cut at 3 3/4 inches by 5 inches. I'm going to go ahead and add this on, and I'm going to use my fast fuse, but it was tearing my paper earlier. I don't know. I just ordered a bunch of snail too. I haven't used snail in so long. All right, so I'm just gonna center this up. Put this on the front right there. And then this piece of designer paper, this is actually from the Tropical Chic Designer Series paper. So this is cut at 2.5 inches by 5.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and add this on right across our other piece. And I'll put it in the center going across. So let's see, right about, yeah, right about there looks good. Okay, then our little sentiment where we stamped "Thank you big time." This is cut 1 inch by 5 inches. And again, adhesive on the back. And we'll just put this, I guess about 1/2 inch from the Tropical Chic, from the bottom of the Tropical Chic piece. Just put that right there. Okay. Then I've got some of our linen thread. So I'm just going to unravel some of this, and this has these little kinks in it from being on that backing. So I'm just going to drag it across my scissors to get those kinks out. And then this is going to actually wrap around the entire front of the card. And I'm gonna tie it off to the right-hand side. Let me get a little bit more. Yeah, that should be good. Give it a snip. Okay, so I want this to sit right beneath the sentiment. So I'm just gonna tie it over on the right-hand side in a bow. Okay. Right about here, I think. So just press it down. Oh, come on, hands. Pull those ends. Ooh, this stuff ties so easily. Very nice. And I'm gonna leave my loops kind of big. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks good. And just trim these ends, leave them kind of long. Okay, and now we can just put our little rhino on. Get these backings off of the dimensionals. Okay, and I'm just gonna pop that rhino. Let's see. Gonna line up the bottom of the rhino with the Tropical Chic designer paper, and I think I'm just gonna put it right there. Wait, let me make sure that's straight. Yep, just like that. Give it a press. There it is. So cute. I love this card. Let me move this out of the way. Throw this in the trash. Move this. There it is. So cute. So there is our card. Isn't that so cute? Look at the little rhino and his little bird friend. I think it's so cute. Oh, thanks so much for the hearts. So cute. And this was quick and simple, right? Very simple cuts for the designer paper. Very easy to stamp and die cut out the little rhino and the bird. Super simple card. And just a sweet little thank you to send, right? I love it. So that's today's project, you guys. Quick and easy. That's how I like it. Quick and easy. And cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip you guys around. I hope y'all like it. You're welcome, Carol. I'm glad you joined us today. Okay. All right, so I hope y'all had fun. I really love this project. So cute. So cute. So don't forget to share the video. Leave me a comment below that you have shared it. Again, I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to hop on over to my blog today, www.quitabughandmaids.com. Thank you, Maria. And make sure you look at that blog post. Over 24 stocking stuffer ideas for you guys under $5. So make sure you check it out. It's linked down below on my Facebook page or down below in the video description over on YouTube. So thank you guys so much. I'll see y'all live again next Wednesday, and of course I'll be on my page every day. Okay, bye you guys. I had fun with y'all. See you later. Bye.